Hi, welcome back to Rio for Foreigners. Today we are at the track to the Primates waterfall, and this is a interesting spot in the middle of the trail where this big boulder is used for climbing. Hi, we are at the Primates waterfall. It's that waterfall there. Its water volume is not that big, but it's sufficient for a good shower. I did just that, take a shower there. It's a beautiful place because of the big rock here, and it opens up a large space where you can see the sky. You can even see the beach when the day is a little bit clearer. And this is one of the many waterfalls that you can find here. We are at the neighborhood of Jardim Botânico, and it's quite interesting because you can, from my home, I take just like half an hour walking, and we can be in a nice place like this. Hope you like the second episode.